Good morning, students. pH of weak acid and weak bases. We were doing ionization constant, how it is related with degree of dissociation and hydronium ion concentration, alpha, Ka, initial concentration, how they are related for weak acid that we had derived and we had done numericals. Now we are starting with derivation of ionization constant of weak base. Almost similar only. Instead of Ka, we will have Kb. So now ionization constant, initial concentration C, and degree of dissociation of weak base, how they are related with each other, that we have to derive. Relation between Kb, that is called dissociation constant of weak base. Dissociation constant of weak base. Then alpha, degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. Because bases, weak base we are talking about. And we know weak bases are not completely ionized. They partially ionized. So we have to consider their degree of dissociation. After that, initial concentration C. Initial concentration C. Relation we have to determine, we have to derive by method. Kb, degree of dissociation alpha, and initial concentration C. Suppose any weak base we have BOH. It is a weak base. Ionizes partially in water to give conjugate acid B plus and OH minus hydroxide ion. Lori Bronsted theory पढ़ा था. Bases are the substances which gives OH minus ions because their proton will be accepted by base. Water का जो proton होता है accept by base and give conjugate acid. So BOH is weak base and B plus conjugate acid. And why BOH is base? Because it gives hydroxide ion when it dissolved in water. Now let initial concentration as C. It's initial concentration C. And this would be 0 because initially we had taken only weak base, that is BOH. 0.1 mole per liter, 0.05 mole per liter. Its initial concentration is C mole per liter. Now it will dissociate and form ions, but as it partially dissociate, there exists an equilibrium between ions and unionized base. BOH और ions के बीच में equilibrium establish होगा. When equilibrium is established, left concentrations at equilibrium. Suppose alpha is the degree of dissociation, then it would be 1 minus alpha. And this would be C alpha, this would be C alpha. As same as in weak acid we had done. Suppose initial concentration is given as 0.2 molar and out of 0.2, 20% dissociate. तो 0.2 का 20% डिसोसिएट होगा, वो बनेगा B प्लस और OH माइनस, और 0.2 में से 20% डिसोसिएट हो जाएगा, बाकी बचेगा, that is called left concentration. So left concentration, if alpha is degree of dissociation, then C 1 minus alpha, and for B plus it is C alpha, and OH minus also it is C alpha. Now, as equilibrium established in this reaction, equilibrium constant K will be concentration of B plus, concentration of OH minus, that is products upon reactant BOH and H2. Equilibrium constant K is written as concentrations of products upon concentrations of reactants. Now, water concentration is constant. There is not significant change in the concentration of water because its concentration is high compared to weak base. So almost insignificant change. Not much more change we have to consider. So water concentration taken as constant. K is constant, H2O constant. When we multiply them, we'll get a new constant, that is Kb. And that is equal to concentration of B plus, concentration of OH minus upon BOH. What is Kb? Dissociation constant of weak base. Ka tha वैसे Kb. A stands for acid, weak acid, and B stands for base. So Kb, that is dissociation constant of weak base, is given as B plus concentration, OH minus concentration upon concentration of BOH. Now we can place the values, equilibrium concentrations over here. What will be the value of Kb? B plus ka C alpha, OH minus C alpha upon C, 1 minus alpha, that is unionized base. C cancel. It would be Kb C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. Now, as I told you earlier, in case of acids and weak bases, ionize is very, very less. The degree of ionization is very less. 1%, 0.1% ऐसे डिसोसिएट होते हैं, बहुत ही वीक होते हैं एसिड्स और बेसिस. तो अल्फा की जो वैल्यू है वो 1 की कंपैरिजन में बहुत कम होगा. So 1 minus alpha is almost taken as 1. So Kb will be C alpha square, and what is alpha? Under root of Kb upon C. Degree of dissociation alpha, dissociation constant Kb, and initial concentration C. They are related with alpha equals under root of Kb upon C. Acid था तब क्या formula था? Alpha equals Ka upon C. And here it is Kb upon C. Degree of dissociation. Out of 3 factors, alpha, Kb or C, 2 will be given to you. Third we can calculate. After that we can calculate pH, POH, everything. What is POH? How to calculate POH? See. OH minus concentration is C alpha. OH minus concentration is C alpha. C और alpha की value क्या है? Kb upon C. We can also write under root of Kb into C. That is OH minus. तो यहाँ से आपको OH minus मिल जाएगा. फिर POH निकाल लीजिए. Minus log of OH minus. बेस है इसलिए पहले हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आएगा, दैट इज सी अल्फा. सी गिवन होगा, अल्फा हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं बाय केबी. पुट अप बोथ द वैल्यूज एंड वी कैन हैव हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. और हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से हम पीओएच निकालेंगे. पीओएच एंड पीएच, द सम इज 14, सो पीएच कैन आल्सो बी कैलकुलेटेड. बोले व्हाट इज द concentration of conjugate acid? So this is called conjugate acid and its concentration is C alpha. So B plus, what is B plus known as? It is conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. जो base होता है ना उसका conjugate acid होता है. BOH base है तो B plus is conjugate acid. So conjugate acid का concentration C alpha, same as OH minus. And what is this? C into 1 minus alpha. This is concentration of left base. कुछ हमने लिया था बेस, उसमें से कुछ पोर्शन आयोनाइज हुआ, तो बाकी जो बचा है जो आयोनाइज नहीं हुआ, अनआयोनाइज्ड बेस, उसका concentration C into 1 minus alpha. So what is C into 1 minus alpha? It is concentration of unionized base. जो आयोनाइज हुआ उसने ये बनाया, और जो अनआयोनाइज्ड है that is C into 1 minus alpha. So formulas are same only, just symbol है Ka और Kb, है ना. तो अपन को अगर एसिड है तो Ka यूज करेंगे और बेस है तो Kb। बाकी फॉर्मूला में कोई फर्क नहीं है। अब देखिए सम्स न्यूमेरिकल्स कैसे करते हैं। थोड़ा वीक बेसिस, कौन कौन से वीक बेसिस होते हैं, कई बार दिया नहीं होता ये वीक बेस है या वीक एसिड है, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई। सो व्हाट आर वीक बेस? वीक एसिड कौन से हैं? फिनॉल इज वीक एसिड and its formula is C6H5OH. It is weak acid. Acetic acid, it is weak acid, CH3COOH. Formic acid, HCOOH. HCN, hydrocyanic acid, hydrocyanic acid, ये weak acid है HCN. Alcohol, ethanol, methanol, they all are weak acids. Strong तो आपको पता है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, है ना, परक्लोरिक एसिड HClO4, हाइड्रोआयोडिक एसिड, they all are strong acid. अब वीक बेसिस कौन कौन से होते हैं? अमोनिया, हाइड्राजीन, NH2 NH2, क्या नाम है इसका? हाइड्राजीन। जितने भी अमाइन कंपाउंड्स होते हैं, जैसे मिथाइल अमाइन दिया होगा, फिर डाई मिथाइल अमाइन दिया होगा, ये सब ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हैं। विल डू लेटर ऑन इन ऑर्गेनिक। अभी स्टार्ट नहीं किया ऑर्गेनिक, तो जब ऑर्गेनिक चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे तो उसमें नेम आएंगे, मिथाइल अमाइन, डाई मिथाइल अमाइन, जो भी NH2 रिलेटेड कंपाउंड्स होते हैं, एनिलिन है, C6H5NH2, इस पे लोन पेयर होता है नाइट्रोजन पे, और नाइट्रोजन का जो लोन पेयर होता है वो क्या करता है? अपने पेयर डोनेट कर सकता है। सो नाइट्रोजन हैविंग लोन पेयर एक्ट एज बेसिस, सो दे आर वीक बेस। अमोनिया, हाइड्रोजीन, अनुनाम मिथाइलमाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइमिथाइलमाइन, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एनिलिन। क्या बोलते हैं इसको? एनिलिन। So these are weak bases. Just to identify. Suppose क्वेश्चन में लिखा नहीं है कि ये वीक बेस है, तो आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन देगा या H प्लस देगा? बिकॉज इफ एसिड इज देयर इट विल गिव H प्लस, इफ बेस इज देन दे विल गिव OH माइनस। तो फर्क पड़ता है, अगर वो OH माइनस देगा तो पहले POH मिलेगा, और एसिड H प्लस देगा तो पहले PH मिलेगा। So if we are not able to identify which acid or which base, either it is acid or base, then we are not able to find out pH and POH correctly. Okay? अब करते हैं कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स और weak acid and weak base. Ionization of weak acid and weak base. So many numericals are given. We can solve one by one. एक आपने करिए पहला। Problem number 7.23. Problem 7.23 in text question. See, determine the degree of ionization and pH. Determine degree of ionization and pH. Degree of ionization means alpha and pH. Okay? Of 0.05 molar ammonia solution. 0.05 molar ammonia solution. अब ये तो दिया हुआ है C और ये है weak base. Ammonia is weak base. कह रहा है calculate degree of ionization and pH of 0.05 molar ammonia solution. Ammonia is weak base and its initial concentration C is given as 0.05. फिर बोल रहा है आयनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट कैन बी टेकन फ्रॉम टेबल. आपको गिवन होगा, वहां तो टेबल दिया नहीं होगा ना. तो आयनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट इसका कितना दिया हुआ है? 1.77 10 to power minus 5. What is ionization constant? Kb. बेस है ना, 1.77 10 raised to power minus 5. एक टेबल बना रखा है जिसमें आयनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट्स लिखे हुए हैं, वो हम उस टेबल में से देख सकते हैं अगर नहीं दिया है तो, बट एग्जाम में तो देगा ही. हाँ, अभी सॉल्व करने के लिए we can use it from table. So Kb is given as 1.77 10 to power minus 5. फिर कह रहा है also calculate ionization constant of conjugate acid of ammonia. Also calculate ionization constant of conjugate acid of ammonia. चलिए, सबसे पहले अल्फा, पीएच, वो सब कैसे निकालेंगे. तो अमोनिया हमको पता है वीक बेस है, टेबल बनाइए. NH3 weak base when dissolved in water ionizes to give NH4 plus OH minus. Bases when dissolved in water they give hydroxide ion, that is OH minus ion. Now its initial concentration कितना है पूछे? 0.05. C दिया हुआ है 0.05 मोलार. ये सब कैसे होंगे? जीरो. तो जीरो नहीं होगा, बट ये कांस्टेंट होता है, हम इसको कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एट इक्विलिब्रियम? इट वुड बी 0.05 1 minus alpha. This would be 0.05 alpha. This would be 0.05 alpha. हम लिख रहे थे ना C 1 minus alpha, C alpha and C alpha. What is C? 0.05. So it would be 0.05 1 minus alpha, 0.05 alpha और 0.05 alpha. ठीक है. अब how to calculate alpha? Alpha निकालना है ना, we have formula. Alpha is under root of Kb upon C. What is Kb? 1.77 10 raised to power minus 5. Concentration 0.05. Kb और C दोनों मत पता है हमको. C is initial concentration 0.05. Dissociation constant given as 1.77 10 to power minus 5. We have to solve it for alpha. कैसे करेंगे? Alpha equals under root of, इसको अगर अपन सॉल्व करें तो डेसिमल उड़ जाएंगे. 5 3 सा 15, 35.4 10 to power minus 5. Now one thing you have to keep in mind that अगर अंडर रूट में 10 to the power is odd number, जैसे यहाँ है 10 to power minus 5 and minus 5 is odd. So odd का स्क्वायर रूट नहीं होगा, तो पावर आपको इवन बनाना पड़ेगा. Either we have to made it 10 to power minus 4 or we have to made it 10 to power minus 6. या तो इसको -4 या इसको -6 लेना पड़ेगा. तो अपन लिख सकते हैं, इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 3.54 कर दूं. 3.54 तो कितना हो जाएगा? 10 to the power minus 4. 3.54 into 10 to the power minus 4. नंबर चेंज किया, पावर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके. अब आप आसानी से इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल सकते हो. 10 to power minus 4 का स्क्वायर रूट आएगा 10 raised to power minus 2. And if you see the square root of 3.54, then its square root will be 1.8. What is the square root? 3.54 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालना पड़ेगा आपको. So if you find out its square root, what's the answer? 1.8. I think so. Into 10 to the power.
Yeah, 1.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
What is this?
Yes, correct, ma'am.
3.54 square root.
1.8.
हाँ बेटा.
1.8.
1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is alpha. डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन। अब हमको निकालना है इसका पीएच। अब पहले पीएच तो डायरेक्ट तो नहीं मिलेगा, वी हैव OH माइनस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, so by OH minus concentration first we will find out POH. After calculating POH we can calculate pH. तो पहले क्या निकालेंगे? POH, because it is base and it is having hydroxide ion concentration. What is alpha value? 0.018. This is alpha. चलिए पहले निकालते OH minus concentration. OH minus concentration is C alpha. C is 0.05 and alpha is 0.018. 0.05 C and alpha is 0.018. So what is OH minus concentration? 9.4 into 10 to the power minus 4. It's 9.4 10 raised to the power minus 4. This is OH minus. 1.88 ऐसा ले तो आ जाएगा। ठीक है? How to find POH? It is minus log of OH minus. Minus log of 9.4 10 to the power minus 4. Already this number is in scientific notation. I told you how to calculate logarithm. तो पहला जो नंबर हुआ है ने scientific notations में लखवानु, तो already it is in scientific notation. 9.4 10 to the power minus 4. હવે શું કરવાનું હોય? Minus sign already there. 10 to the power minus 4 will be written as 4 bar. This is characteristic. And for Mentisa we have to see log of 94 at 0. Log of 94 at 0. It is 9731. 9731. 94 at 0 you have to see the logarithm. So it is 4 bar point 9731. बस अब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. It would be minus 4 plus 9731. And if you solve then it will be, subtract करके निकालोगे तो 3.0269. This is POH. So POH will be 3.0269. POH आ गया, pH निकाल सकते हैं. Sum of pH and POH is 14. So if POH is there, we can calculate pH. pH would be 14 minus POH. 14 minus 3.0269. If you solve, then it would be 10.9731. That is pH. pH is more than 7, means it is basic, and ammonia is basic only. So its pH is more than 7. So if we know the initial concentration, if we know the ionization constant of weak acid or weak base, then we are easily calculate pH and POH. He is also telling us to calculate ionization constant of conjugate acid. This first formula we have to derive, the ionization constant of conjugate acid or conjugate base, and then we will do it. Clear? So right now only calculate alpha, pH and POH. Suppose he was telling us to calculate what is the concentration of unionized ammonia. Calculate concentration of unionized ammonia. How to find out unionized ammonia? We know it is C into 1 minus alpha. Unionized ammonia concentration, some portion we had taken, initial concentration we had taken as 0.05. Out of 0.05, some portion dissociated and some portion left. We have to calculate the concentration of ammonia which is left. So that is C into 1 minus alpha. What is C? 0.05. Alpha 0.018. Just multiply it, solve it. You will have the answer, that is unionized ammonia no concentration tamne mali jase. Clear? This type of question will be asked for 3 marks. You can use formula, you can make table in order to determine the questions. Now we will do from exercise. So many questions are given in exercise also. You have to do some homework and rest I'll do for you. 7.44 वो अपन करेंगे 7.44 and 7.46 you have to do in homework. First we are doing 7.44 exercise question. So many questions are given in the exercise. Try to solve all. Big exercise given because this chapter is important. So solve by yourself. I'll give you PDF for it. First do all the homework. Okay. You'll practice more. You'll understand more because numericals require practice only. Clear, students? Now it is 7.44. The question is, ionization constant of phenol is 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. I told you phenol is weak acid. C6H5OH. This is called phenol. It is weak acid and its ionization constant is given as 1.0 10 to the power minus 10. If it is not given, we can take it from the table. Table is there in the book for dissociation constants. So Ka, dissociation constant of phenol, and it is given as 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. अभी और क्या दिया है देखिए. What is the concentration of phenolate ion? What is the concentration of phenolate ion in 0.05 molar solution of phenol? What will be the degree of ionization if the solution is also 0.01 molar in sodium phenolate? चलिए calculate करते हैं. What is initial concentration of phenol is given? It is 0.05. Weak acid, C6H5OH phenol, when dissolved in water, partially ionized to give C6H5O minus, H3O plus. Phenol is acid and phenolate ion is its conjugate base. This is called phenolate ion. Phenolate ion. Phenol is weak acid. Phenolate ion is its conjugate base. White partially ionized because it is weak acid. If it is a strong, complete ionized, only single-headed arrow will come. Double-headed arrow means it is weak acid and it ionizes partially. Now, what is initial concentration given? Initial concentration of phenol is given as 0.05 molar. And water concentration, it's not changes significantly, so we can take it as constant. And initial concentration of phenolate ion and hydronium ion is 0. Because initially we are taking only phenol and its concentration is 0.05. Now, what is the left concentration? At equilibrium, we know left concentration C1 minus alpha. Here also C alpha. And this is C alpha. And C is given as 0.05. So we are writing 0.05. Every time for base and acid, it will be same only. So left concentration at equilibrium is 0.05, 1 minus alpha. For phenolate ion, it is 0.05 alpha. And for hydronium ion, it is 0.05 alpha. C alpha likhte hain actually. And C is given as 0.05. Now, first of all, we have to calculate alpha. That is degree of dissociation. We know the formula. Alpha is under root of Ka upon C. Degree of dissociation of weak acid is root of Ka upon C. Put up the values. What is the value of Ka given? 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. And initial concentration 0.05. If you solve it, then we have alpha 1 by 0.05, that is 100 by 5. 100 by 5 means decimal हटाओगे तो 100 आएगा ऊपर. 100 upon 5 means 20 into 10 to the power minus 10. I told you earlier also, keep in mind when you are taking a square root, power should be even. It's already an even number only, minus 10. Agar odd hai, so you have to change it into even. Without changing it into even number, you are not supposed to take a square root. Cube root nikalna ho, so this number should be multiple of 3. If you want to find out fourth root, this number should be multiple of 4. Right now we have to calculate square root. So in square root, this number that is 10, that is power, should be divided by 2. It is multiple of 2. And it's already multiple of 2, so no problem. We can see the root of 20 as well as 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 10 का root क्या आएगा? 10 to the power minus 5. Half થઈ જાય. 10 નો root ગોતવાની બેસવાનું. 10 power જે હોય ને એનું અડધું થાય. 5. Suppose power is minus 8. After square root it will become minus 4. Suppose the power is 10 to the power minus 30. Square root will be minus 15. Half होता है. 10 का root नहीं, root हमको किसका निकालना है? 20 का. We have to calculate under root of 20. So root of 20 will be 4 point something. Suppose 4.4. 4.4, 10 to the power minus 5. This is alpha. See, alpha is very, very less. 4.4, 10 to the power minus 5 is very less number. So phenol इतना weak acid है कि dianize is very, very less. Almost, 0.005%. So weak acid ionizes partially only. That can be understood with the help of the values of alpha. That is degree of dissociation. Now, in order to calculate pH, first we have to calculate hydronium ion concentration, H3O+. कैसे निकालेंगे? We know H3O+ is, H+ भी लिख सकते हो, C alpha, that is 0.05 into alpha. Put up the value of alpha. It's 0.05 and alpha is 4.4, 10 to the power minus 5. C alpha, hydronium ion. You can also write H+. There is not difference between H+ and H3O+. H+ is hydrogen ion, H3O+ is hydronium ion. As I told you, H+ do not have independent existence because it is very, very small. So what this H+ will do? पानी का molecule लेके थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, that's it, so that it has independent existence. Okay, multiply it. 0.05, 4.4, 10 to the power minus 5. So it will become 21.0, 10 to the power minus 7. Or we can write 2.1, 10 to the power minus 6. 2.1, 10 to the power minus 6. This is hydronium ion concentration. Now from hydronium ion concentration, we can calculate pH. We know the formula how to calculate pH. pH is minus log of concentration of hydronium ion. So it is minus log of 2.1, 10 to the power minus 6. How to solve? This will become 6 bar. You have to see the log of 21 at 0. See the log table. Find out what is log of 21 at 0. I am also having log table. Just find out 21 at 0. It is 3,222. 3,222. Bas it solve kar liyo, it would be 6 minus 0.3222. So answer will be 5.6778. This is the pH of this solution. So form a table. Out of 3 things, 2 will be given to you. Third you can find out. After getting third thing, easily we can calculate pH, pOH, concentration of unionized acid, concentration of unionized base, concentration of conjugate acid and conjugate base. So many things we can calculate for weak acid and weak base. Remember, if acid is weak, base is weak, then we need the dissociation constant because they partially ionize. But in case of strong acid and strong base, there is no need of degree of ionization or dissociation constant.